It's an Amazon pack.
Oh, Amazon shares. Damn, tell me what you see.
Oh! I got a multi-tool knife? That's sick.
Oh, cool.
Merci beaucoup. I have a cardboard box, and thankfully there's a guy with a knife right beside me. Hey!
Common theme from this year is, oh, he sent me his mail.
Hey, yeah, I did.
Oh, nice.
Hey.
This is heavy. Everyone is quiet and looking at me and I feel uncomfortable.
Oh, I'm sorry.
Oh, sorry.
Oh, Dan! You can learn!
There you go.
So Dan can learn how to...
Ah, cozy knitting.
What?
These are for paddling.
Oh.
They go on your hands and your paddle goes in the...
Nice.
So it's like a mitten for paddling.
Oh. Oh, nice.
good.
That's gonna be handy.
Every year it's doing this.
Ah, or I can move it up. It's okay, you were having a cute moment. I liked it.
We're causing a bottleneck.
Ready?
3,
2,
1.
There you go. There you go. Great. Pull. No, hold that.
I had my favorite.
Sorry.
Are you gonna bring it out? Or... Yeah.
I didn't know that was a thing.
Oh,
yeah.
Perfect.
oh my.
I hope it's not my fault because every time I play games with her, I go.
Whoa!
What is it?
Say what?
True to you?
What is it, Melly?
Bracelet things.
Wait, I think that's friendship.
Yeah, it's to make friendship bracelets.
I like
It's a
it.
This is what happens when we open presents so late. He's very scattered every single one.
Oh, what is it?
What is it?
Sonic and Shadow Generations.
Yeah.
2, 1. It's a new coaster.
Hey.
Exact one we had.
That's perfect.
To Fanny from Selfie View High School. Okay.
Selfie view.
Where is that?
Anywhere BC.
Okay. Ooh, I got a box. I always wanted a box.
I'll give you one more.
Daniel?
One more. Yeah, you have 0 after. Alright?
Look what I found inside the Sonic game.
Oh, cool.
Oh, cool.
Wait a minute. It's Gerald Robotnik's journal.
Yeah. I didn't know you had it.
A gift card.
Yay! We stopped clapping, people.
Playing with my gift.
You have that?
We can let it, leave it on the table so it's easy to.
It is an Indigo gift card.
Boxes are so common this time. What is it?
Amazon. To Joe from Pat and Stulo.
This is a hello.
Are we using this for the phone or for the wall? As always, a giant box.
Very popular these days.
My favorite tea from the Bouchard Gardens.
Oh, nice.
And calendar 2026.
Oh.
This is what we saw the
Yes.
first time we kissed.
Yes. This is from Imelda.
Yes.
Did you wrap this?
Yeah. I also wrapped my
Did you
own
wrap?
gifts.
You wrapped your own too?
I wrapped my own. I wrapped the one for Uncle Daniel and I wrapped the
What
one
is it? What is it?
one.
Glass block.
Oh.
Look. Hey, I love it. I love it. Hug. Oh, hey. Oh, hey, oh, hey. Hey. Hug.
And a present? I think the one
Did she pick this out herself?
She did.
Well, thank you, Amy. Thank you.